Everyone knows this is the online era. I have something special for you, which is not only your need. Every work of yours is incomplete without it. Anyone can guess what I have special for you?
No.
Okay, that is mobile. Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Meena. I would like to share you a dynamic e-commerce website. I have done I have worked on this mobile, this application. I will walk you through for three key aspects. First, what, why and how. So let's come to the what. What? Let me give me a brief overview of the project. I have developed a dynamic e-commerce website for Cybrom Technology Private Limited, which is based on one technology. My project name is Movie Hub. It is built by a team. There are 5 members in my team. We have worked on Movie Hub. Now, the primary goal was to create a new online business platform that is seamless showcase and sells their product. We have included some features like user authentication, product browsing, and secure checkout system. Now let's come to the what. Let's come to the why. Why this project is significant. So now, in today's digital age, having store online presence is crucial for any business, especially for the e-commerce sector, making it easy for both administrators and customers navigate to e-commerce platform. Increase to leading to increased sales and brands loyalty. Now let's come to the how. How was product is executed. The obtained for MAN technology utilizing technologies such as React.js for front end and back end, React Node.js for the back end and React.js for the front end, and I have also using MongoDB for database. So during this internship, I have faced many challenges like responsiveness, routing system, and security system. So now this is the whole overview of my website. So now let's come to the laptop. This is the first of header. Header are part. This is a special header because of 3 parts divided into 3 parts. It's very unique and it for client. This is the home page, and there this is boxes for mobile shops. Now special for the unique header, footer also unique because matching on the header and website. So now user can buy anything. So you can firstly go to the register page. So now let's go to the register page. So user can fill the detail like name, last name, email, password and address and click on the registration. So user can registration and user come to the login page and enter your email and password. Now login. User wants to login and there come to the home page. So this is home page. Now discuss the admin panel. This is the admin panel. We have created a unique admin panel. Firstly, this is the dashboard. Now add product. Admin add product. So firstly enter product name, enter product price and regular price, product ID, choose brand, RAM, ROM and pictures click. 3 pictures also added there. Now comes to the order detail. Now user add product and why, how to check order detail. So all order detail here, and brand and coupon also there. Thank you for listening to me, and if you have any question, a query, so you can ask me. I will give you a best answer of the question. Thank you so much.